This is my second video of today's class, that is different type fiber crops which are grown in India. Firstly, cotton. Cotton is a tropical crop grown in Kharif season in semi-arid areas of the country. India lost a large proportion of cotton growing area to Pakistan during partition period. However, it has increased considerably during the last 50 years. India grown both short staple type of cotton and as well as long staple type of cotton. India ranks second in the world in the production of cotton after China. Cotton occupies about 4.7% of total cropped area in the country. The main cotton producing regions are Maharashtra, Gujarat, then some part of northern Rajasthan, and Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, etc. Now, our second fiber crops which is grown in India, that is jute. Jute is used for making different types of clothes, bags, mat, etc. and also some type of decorative item. It is a cash crop in the West Bengal and adjoining eastern part of the country. India lost large jute growing areas to East Pakistan, that is today named as Bangladesh, during partition period. At present, India produces about 3/5 of jute production in the world. West Bengal accounts for about 3/4 of the total production of the country. That means West Bengal is the leading producer of jute. Bihar and Assam are other states which are also produced jute. Being considered only the few states, this crop accounts for only about 0.5% of the total cropped area in the country. Now, fiber crops, which are only two types of fiber crops are grown in India. Now next, other crops like sugarcane, tea, coffee, etc. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is a crop of tropical area under rain-fed condition. It is cultivated in sub-humid and humid areas or humid climate also, but in largely in an irrigated crop in India. In Indo-Gangetic plain, its cultivation is largely concentrated in Uttar Pradesh. Sugarcane growing areas in western India is spread over Maharashtra, Gujarat, etc. Now, next is tea. Tea is a plantation crop and used as a beverage. Black tea leaves are and also green tea leaves are grown in India. Tea leaves have rich content of caffeine and tannin. It is an indigenous crop of hill of northern China, and it is grown over the undulating topography of the hilly areas and well-drained soil in humid and sub-humid tropic and subtropic in India. In India, tea plantation started in 1840s in Brahmaputra Valley of Assam, which still is the major tea producing region of India. Later on, its plantation was introduced in the sub-Himalayan region of West Bengal, the district of Darjeeling district, Jalpaiguri, and also Kuch Bihar district. Tea is also cultivated in the lower slope of Nilgiri hills, that means in Tamil Nadu and some portion of Karnataka. And India's share in the international market of tea has declined subsequently. It's ranked second among the tea exporting countries in the world. Now, another beverage crop, that is coffee. Coffee is a tropical plantation crop. Its seeds are roasted, ground, and are used for preparing a beverage. There are three types of coffee, like Arabica, Robusta, and Liberica. Arabica is most good quality type of coffee. India mostly grows superior quality coffee, for example Arabica, which is in great demand in the international market. But India produces only 3.7% of coffee of the world and ranks 7th after Brazil, Vietnam, Colombia, Indonesia, Ethiopia, etc. The main cultivated areas are Western Ghat in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Karnataka alone accounts for more than two-thirds of the total production of coffee in the country. So these are different types of crops which are mainly grown in India. And next day I will discuss about agricultural development in India and some problems of agriculture in India. And today I will give some question from this chapter. Please write down this on your note copy. Clear?